Hexagon introduces the future of manufacturing, revolutionary virtual manufacturing solutions aiming at shift to zero. Become part of this paradigm shift and drive your business towards production efficiency and sustainability. With our cutting-edge virtual manufacturing solutions, you can visualize and optimize your manufacturing processes in a virtual environment. Say goodbye to costly physical prototypes and hello to a streamlined workflow. On top of that, our system is designed to achieve shift to zero through innovative techniques and technologies. Reduce material waste, energy consumption, and environmental impact while maximizing resource utilization. Embrace the power of virtual manufacturing, where precision and automation come together. Our integrated virtual manufacturing tools empower you to create complex designs, simulate intricate assembly processes, and automate production lines for unparalleled efficiency. The future of manufacturing is here, and it's greener than ever before. Join us on this transformative journey towards lean and efficient virtual manufacturing. Together, we will create a more sustainable and prosperous world. Contact us today to unlock the potential of virtual manufacturing with the goal of shift to zero. Together, let's shape a better tomorrow.